In this video, I will show you exactly how to save your creative projects as high-quality document files using Adobe Express. Whether you are building a resume, an invitation, or a professional presentation, knowing how to properly export your work is essential for sharing and printing. Once you have finished all your edits and your design looks perfect, your first step is to look toward the top right corner of the screen. You will see a dedicated navigation bar where a download button is clearly visible. Go ahead and click that button to open your export settings. By default, Adobe Express might suggest saving your work as an image file like a PNG or a JPEG. But since we want a document format, you will need to look at the File Format drop-down menu. Click on that small arrow to expand your options and scroll down until you see PDF listed. This format is ideal because it preserves your layouts and ensures that your fonts stay crisp no matter which device someone uses to view them. After you select PDF, the platform will give you a few more choices depending on your specific needs. You can choose PDF small file if you are planning to send it via email, or you can select PDF high quality if you intend to send the file to a professional printer. Once you have made your final selection, simply hit the big blue download button at the bottom of the menu. Your computer will take a moment to process the design, and then it will automatically save the file to your Downloads folder. It is really that straightforward to take your digital designs and turn them into versatile documents that are ready for any professional setting. Adobe Express makes this entire process seamless, so you can spend less time worrying about file types and more time focusing on your creative vision. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I hope it helps you get the most out of your design projects. Happy creating!